Hello students, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to our channel. Students, this video is for Osmania University BCom semester 6 students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject GST 100% pass important questions for the examination April 2025. Now first unit 1, that is introduction to GST. Short questions. What is GST? 100% important. What is GSTIN? This is also 100% important. What is debit note in GST? What is credit note in GST? These two questions are very important. Explain ERP and tax invoice, e-way bill and GST council. So this last question is also very important. Students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for the students of BCom semester 4 subject income tax and business statistics 2 and corporate accounting. For that 3 videos I already uploaded. Now unit 1, long questions. Define GST, explain its origin, importance, concept and explanation why it is called single tax structure. 100% important question. Explain the procedure of registration under GST and write the advantages for registration. Very important. What do you mean by GST return? State various types of GST returns. 100% important questions. Students, only 3 questions I am sharing with you in unit 1 as long questions, and these questions are very important. Now unit 2, getting started with GST goods. Short questions. What is inward supply? What do you mean by intrastate supply of goods? Explain hierarchy of applying tax details. Explain about GSTR 1 and GSTR 2. Very important. Now unit 2, long questions. Explain about getting started with GST. Explain various steps involved in enabling GST. 100% important question. Discuss the steps involved in interstate outward supply of goods in Tally ERP. 100% important. Discuss the intrastate outward supply of goods. This is also very important. So only 3 questions I am sharing in long under unit 2, and from these 3 questions definitely any 2 questions you will get in the examination. So these are the very important questions. Now unit 3. Unit 3 is recording advance entries, GST adjustments and return filing. First, short questions. What do you mean by composite and unregistered dealer? Very important. What are exports and imports? Very important. SEZ sales, 100% important. GST portal, that is also very important. E-ledgers also very important. Students, very soon I'm going to upload the videos for the subject accounting standards and other subjects for semester 6, so stay connected with us. Now unit 3, long questions. What are the records and accounts to be maintained by a person registered under GST? 100% important. Write about mixed and composite supply under GST. Very important. What is composition dealer? Explain its features. Very important. So these are the 3 important questions under unit 3 as long. Students, start your preparation from these questions, because whatever questions I am sharing with you, that questions are very important for your examination. And for BCom semester 4 students, important questions for the subjects income tax, business statistics 2 and corporate accounting. That videos are available on my YouTube channel. Now unit 4, getting started with GST services. Short questions. What is place of supply? What are services? Write about cancellation of services. 100% important. What do you mean by intrastate supply of services? 100% important. What do you mean by time of supply of services? What are its components? This question is important not only for short, this question is important for long also. Students, on my YouTube channel, how to calculate degree passing marks and what is 0.5 rule and how the grades are awarded by Osmania University. For that videos are available, and that videos are available in playlist also. Now unit 4, long questions. What do you mean by services? Explain about determination of supply of services and place of services. 100% important question. Explain the procedure for cancellation of inward and outward supply of services. Very, very important. Now, Unit 5, recording advance entries and migration to ERP. Short questions: input tax, credit set off, what is partial payment, export supply of services, explain various components of time of supply, explain about exempt supply of services. Very, very important. So these are the 5 short questions under Unit 5. First is very important, second is also very, very important, and last question is also very, very important. Now Unit 5, long questions. Explain various types of GST returns. 100% important question. Explain the procedure for accounting for multiple services in single supply of GST in Tally ERP. Very, very important. Explain the process of recording partial payment to supplier in GST. Very important. Explain the concept of advance receipts from customer and cancellation of advance receipt. How do you determine? So these are the important questions. Thanks for watching the video.